Number 34. Which statement about selective breeding is correct? So in order to solve this problem, we have to know what the selective breeding is. So selective breeding is the process by which humans use animal breeding and plants breeding to selectively develop certain characteristics. So we have to check the options here. So it does not involve humans. No, I just said that humans are involved in this. So A is certainly not the right answer. Let's have a look at B. It involves struggle for survival. No, it's got nothing to do with the struggle for survival because humans are involved. We just select certain animals or plants and we just cross or like mate them, breed them, right? So struggle? No, there's no such thing. See, it always involves only one parent. Now it always involves two. Actually, not always, but mostly involves two parents. Okay, because we have to breed them. Okay. Involving only one parent can happen in genetic modification, but this is not talking about genetic modification. This is talking about selective breeding. So C is not the right answer as well. Number D, it involves parents that possess desirable features. This is absolutely right. This is the purpose of doing selective breeding. If we want to have a desirable characteristic or desirable product, we take the parents, like the organisms, that possess that feature, and we breed them together to get more of the features. Okay. So the instant answer for this one